Luxury is not a price tag, it's a standard. A lifestyle reserved for those who refuse to settle for ordinary living or average investment. With Aramide Bungalows, you are not just stepping into real estate, you are stepping into a masterpiece of elegance, comfort, and generational value. Welcome to Aramide Bungalows, located right here at Ayetoro, just close by to the new approved Lekki International Airport and facing Lekki Ekpe Expressway. So I'm here to give you another update about this masterpiece of earth here in Lekki. This bungalow is the most affordable bungalow for sale here in a fast developing corridor of Lekki right now. You can see how spacious the compound is. So you can start from the gate house. So it's automated gate house. Everything is a smart house that we are building right here. Look at the design of this beautiful bungalow. I love this design, just like you are in the United States of America. So I love this design. So our clients in the hospital will be looking for the most affordable bungalow with a flexible payment plan here in a fast developing region of Lagos State, Nigeria. This bungalow is a perfect choice for you to take advantage of right now. I'm going to walk you through this bungalow to see how spacious the sitting room, the kitchen, the living room, everything is top notch. So let's go inside to show you the rooms and the kitchen. So let me start from the door. You can see how strong the door is. So it's very, very strong. So come inside. Oh wow, wow, isn't this beautiful? Look at this chandelier. I love this design. And look at the POP. Finishing is top notch. We are not compromising standard right here when it comes to this Aramide Bungalows, right? So and look at our kitchen. It's open kitchen, but in case you don't want open kitchen, you can make it closed kitchen for you. That's one thing about the off-plan bungalows or upland property. You can make any adjustment from the foundation to the finished level, and that's what make upland property stand out. This is a space for your refrigerator, right? We have oven, heat extractor, washing machine. So everything is top notch. But there's another adjustment on this bungalow. If you check this kitchen, it's not too big, but we make adjustments on the layout now for the next space that we're going to build right here. Even though the sitting room, so all the rooms, so there's adjustment on the rooms and the kitchen. Everything is going to be bigger than what you are seeing right here. But guess what? We are building only 30 units inside this it's no residential. The total units we are building is 1,000 units, but it's going to be on another estate, which is very close by to where this it's no residential is right here in Ayetoro. So it's going to be in the different clusters, but we are building 30 units right here. And I want to encourage you to come and pack into this bungalow right here at Aramide here inside the it's no residential before price increase or everything sold out. It's come with an inverter. So these are inverter here. This is solar here, you can see. So it's come with an inverter. So it's come with a very beautiful house. So let's check this first room. So check this first room. You can see that it's very, very spacious. It's very spacious. I love this bungalow. Very neat, clean, sharp. This is your wardrobe right here. This is your wardrobe, and this is your toilet right here. Wow. Okay. So this is the second room. There's a wardrobe. This is your wardrobe. So this is your second room. This is your toilet and bathroom right here. So let me show you the third room with a master bed. Oh my God. Wow. This is your master bed right here. Everything is top notch. Take it around. This is your wardrobe right here. You have your wardrobe and you have your toilet and bathroom right here. You have your toilet and bathroom right here. So this property, this bungalow is selling for pre-launch promo price right now, and we have mortgage plan on this bungalow as well, but the mortgage plan is on hold for now. In case you have interest in the mortgage plan right here at Aramide, I want you to send a GM right now to join the wait list here at Aramide, because we are just limited for the bungalows that we are selling for mortgage plan right here. This estate is covered with a great title, C/O, certificate of occupancy, is not under any encroachment or under any form of demolition right now. The work is ongoing now massively right here at Aramide, because we are not stopping working here. We are working on a daily basis just to deliver on this great project here at Aramide. This 3-bedroom fully detached bungalow with BQ is going for 75 million naira. We have 3-month payment plan, 6-month payment plan, and up to 1-year payment plan right here at Aramide. And with just 3 million, I can secure this bungalow before price increase or everything sold out. So I'm going to enjoy great amenities right here at Aramide. So please don't miss this great opportunity right here at Aramide. For more information inquiry, give me a call right now, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and drop a comment below and put on the bell notification so that I'll be the first to notify whenever I bring this kind of great investment opportunity here in Lagos State and outside Lagos State, Nigeria. Thank you.